Okay. In this video, I'm going to discuss the virtual work method applied in trusses. So, we can use the method of virtual work to determine the displacement of a truss joint when the truss is subjected to an external loading, temperature change, or fabrication errors. So for this one, for this video, nakafocus siya sa truss subjected to external loading. This is the virtual work equation. Yeah. 1 times delta equals summation of n times L over EE. Okay. So 1 external virtual load acting on the truss joint in the stated direction of delta. So similar sa beam o frames, depende sa mga analysis or assumption mo. Like if you think for vertical displacement, if you think the joint will be displaced downward, then ang unit load ni mo downward. But for horizontal displacement, if you think nga ang joint will be displaced to the right, then you apply a unit load directly to the right also. And after solving, if ang sign is negative, it means na opposite nga direction ang actual na displacement. Small n, internal virtual normal force in a truss member caused by the external virtual unit load. Okay, so bali ang small nga n, force ni siya sa truss members due to the unit load. Small nga n. Ang delta, mo na siya ang joint displacement. Either vertical or horizontal. Depende sa gias sa problem. Capital N, internal normal force in a truss member caused by the radial loads. L, length of the member. A, cross-sectional area. E, modulus of elasticity of a member. So example, this one, to illustrate, you have this truss and you are interested in determining the vertical displacement of joint B, this one. So, mo niya real loads. So, kumpito ni mo bar forces of all the members. Mo na imong capital N. And then after that, you place a unit load sa joint in the direction of delta. So, since mo ni imong assumption that joint B will move downward, then you will apply a unit load at B downward in an unit load. So, dili na ni consider nimo ang real loads. Unit load na lang. And then solve again for the bar forces. Okay. And then substitute in that equation. So, mao niya procedure for analysis. So, for virtual forces in, okay, place the unit load on the truss at the joint where the desired displacement is to be determined. The load should be in the same direction as the specified displacement, either horizontal or vertical. Okay. Pero kung wing kag right or left or downward or upward, okay ra mag-assume. And then tanaw i-check na lang sa final value. Ang sign sa final value. Kung positive, then ang direction nimo correct. Pag negative, opposite. So when a unit load is so placed and all the real loads removed from the truss, use the method of joints or the method of sections, and I will include my labay-labay style, joke lang, and calculate the internal N force of each truss member. Assume that tensile forces are positive and compressive forces are negative. For the real forces, capital N, use again the method of section, comma, method of joints, comma, or Neris labay-labay style. Whenever applicable, kaya na may mga joints nga dili to pwede. So whenever applicable, you can use my style to determine the end force in each member. So these forces are caused only by the real loads acting on the truss. Again, assume tensile forces are positive and compressive forces are negative. And then for the virtual work equation, apply the equation of virtual work to determine the desired displacement. It is important to retain the algebraic sign for each of the corresponding small n and capital N forces when substituting these terms into the equation. Importante ganang sign. Ayagid kalimte. When you say algebraic sum, you take into consideration the sign of the number. Pero kung arithmetic sum, just the magnitude. Okay. Now, if the resultant sum, summation of n, small n, capital N, L of A is positive, it means na the displacement delta is in the same direction as the unit load. Ako akong iiwan ganina, no? And if a negative value results, delta is opposite to the unit load. Ayan. Okay, so let us solve a sample problem. Simple na problem. Determine the vertical displacement of joint E for each member. Area is equal to 400 millimeters square. E equal to 200 gigapascal. Use the method of virtual work. So solution. Zero na sa horizontal, kay vertical naman itong external load. So 0, and then nakaduwa ka vertical forces there. Ana. Assume ne, pero by inspection, pwede na po siya by inspection or by symmetry, equal in huwa. No? Pero for general kuan lang, kini problem, nga dili sa wala sa center, and then gamit ani summation of moment sa A, masolve ni mo ni reaction sa C. So it's RC times 4 minus 45 times 2. And na kay RC na 22.5. Summation of 4 sa Y, RA equals 22.5. Okay, so after this, muna itong trust, no? Muna itong reaction din, di ba? Okay. Use method of joints or method of sections or labay-labay. Sige, labay-labay tayo. You start with the joint having two members connected. So, either sa F or sa C. Pwede ra, no? So, dito ko sa F. So, sa F, muna akong force. So, pero wala man tayong mga other forces there, eh. So, isa raman. So, automatic, 0 na, di ba? Wala may mo balance. So, tanan nga red ani 0. So, kini ilaban na to dire. Dire ay kini ilaban dire sa E 0 gyapon. And then kini sad EF 0. So next, proceed ka sa joint na duha ka members sa dang anon. So diri ka sa A. Dili man ka pwede sa E kay naman kay tulo ka members. So sa A ka. So as discussed previously sa method of joints na video, nauna na siya. Naman kay 22.5 since AA is inclined man eh. Then na kay components vertical o horizontal. So to balance this one, i-balance siya og downward. Okay. By the way, mo ni ang slope niya 1.5:2 or simply 3:4. 5 dayon ning diagonal. Mao na siya. 22.5 upward, i-balance siya og downward 22.5. Para 0 ang vertical, di ba? And then pagkuha sa horizontal component, ratio na lang. Ratio and proportion. So, 22.5 divided by sa 3. Itong labay-labay. 22.5 divided by 3. 7.5, di ba? Times horizontal 4. 30. 30 na yun. Dayon sa inclined, kana 22.5 divided by 3. 7.5 times 5, you have 37.5. Okay, so ang mabalance ani 30 is kining force sa AB. So since left ni right ni siya 30. So ang gray nato is for tension, yellow for compression, or gold. Red is for 0. Ilaban natin So kini A, AB, ilaban natin dire. Tension po dire. And then kini, compression man ilabay na to sa joint E. Mo na sila. So, compression man, downward, upward, left, right. So, dili na po sa joint E. Dili pa pwede sa B, kaya na pa man kay tulo. So, sa E ka, na kay duha. So, horizontal, 30. 0 sa 30. Need siya i-balance og 30. So, 30 yapon para masiro na siya duha. And then sa vertical, naka 22.5 na upward, i-balance siya o downward, 22.5. Tension siya. So, balance na ni. Vertical, balance, horizontal, balance. Labay na sad. So, labay ni mo dire. Compression mo na. Compression mo dire. And then 25, downward, upward na dire. Pwede na yung kamagkuhan. Bisan asa na. Joint B, duha na lang man. Joint D, duha na lang po. So, dito sa B na lang. Okay. Sa B, vertical, ha? Same slope, ha? 3:4. Natay 45. Nakay 22.5. So, kulang ka og 22.5 upward. So, nga nung vertical ta nag-start, kay kung horizontal ta, duha mga itong unknowns, kini, horizontal component sa BD o force sa BC. So, mag-start ta vertical, kay isa ra itong unknown, kini vertical component sa BD. So, 45 downward, and then 22.5 downward, need taog 22.5 upward para mag-add ni 45. And then same slope, 22.5 divided by 3 times 4, natay 30. So, pareho na sila, compression lang na kini tension. And then labay na yun, 30 o 30, balance naman So, therefore, 0 na So, labay po dire. Okay. I-check nito sa D, no? Ang horizontal, balance na. Vertical na lang. Naka-downward, atong i-balance o upward. Same lang, 22.5 also. Tapos ilabi na to dire sa C, upward na downward dire. Check na to, horizontal 0, upward, downward, then check ta. So, yun na lang. This is for capital N, due to real loads. Next is, ang gipangita kay vertical displacement sa E man. So, Mga po, tag-unit load rin. Downward po sa E. So, by symmetry, ang just nga, tag 0.5 din eh. 1/2. Okay. And then, labay-labay na sad, or method of joins. Start ka sa F, 0 again, then labay, and then mabalance sa 1/2, kini 1/2 ni, then ratio, 1/2 divided by 3 times 4, and you have 2/3, and then 1/2 divided by 3 times 5, na kay 5/6, and then kinin 2/3, para ma-0, i-balance siya o kini EB, left man i-balance siya right, 2/3 po. And then, labay na to sa B, 2/3, kini dayon, labay na to sa E. Check dayon. Eh? Horizontal, 2/3, 0 man siya, 2/3 ni. And then vertical, natay 1/2 upward, natay 1 downward. Kulang ta og 1/2 na upward, diba? 1/2 po na siya. Para mag-add din doha, 1 ang total. And then, labay siya ni. And then, balance again. So, 1/2. Wala naman itong force dire, di ba? So, 1/2, i-balance na sa 1/2. And then ratio, same lang dire, 1/2, so 2/3, 5/6. Tension lang ni, dire compression. Balance na sila doon. So, 0 na ni. And then, labay po dire, kini tension, labay na. Check din na to, horizontal, okay. Vertical, 1/2 downward, so upward ni, 1/2. Labay, check, okay. That's it. Next is summarize the maternal values in table form or tabular form. Sorry. Yan member EB. Now, as a suggestion, dapat kuan sa alphabetical ba? Sa joint A, unsang members ang nakuha ni joint A, and then joint B, C, D, and so on. So, N, small n, unit niya newtons, L, millimeters, area, square millimeters, E, megapascal. No? Ang purpose same no sa previous topics nga, for SI, dapat newton and millimeters lang tanan para kung mangita sa og distance or anything, units of length, millimeters ra, and then unit of force, newtons ra yan. So, since displacement lang ipangita ang unit will be millimeters. But you have to convert all values to newtons and millimeters. So, for small n, let's check, no? Muna itong values, Okay. So, again, you start with joint A. Tanan members, AB, AE, AF, tapos joint B, BC, BD, BF. Sa C, you only have one, CD. Sa D, isa ra po, DE. And then sa E, isa ra sa EF. Check na ito AB, AE, AF. So you have positive 2/3, negative 5/6, and 0. Nara? Positive 2/3, negative 5/6, 0. And so on. Diba? Check na din. Sa joint B, 0, positive 5/6, negative 1/2. Nara, 0, 5/6, negative 1. And so on. And then for capital N, for loads, mga man 30, negative 37.50. But since ang load natin kay kilonewtons, i-convert na to ni 30 to Newton. So this will become 30,000. This one is 37,500 and so on. Mano sila. And then ang L, mga gyapon, ng 2 meters, mahimo ng 2,000 millimeters. Area, given mo na, no? 400 for all members. And then E is 200 gigapascal. So, para ma-megapascal, multiply ka 1,000. After this, okay. Compute for N times L over EE for each member. And then i-add man mo ni tanan. Di ba? Summation. So, ano siya? I-multiply nimo ang N times L. Kini. 2/3 times 30,000 times 2,000. Kana. I-multiply na nimo lang tulo. I-divide ayon nimo sa product sa A ug E. So, this value divided by this, money result. 0.5. And then you do the same for the other members. Ana, for AF, 0, di ba? 0 sa ni. And then product divided by product. Ana. And so on. Ang last is 0 rin. Finally, mamo na to delta, summation of N times NL over EE. So, i-add mo tanan mo yung result. Tapos ang unit niya is millimeters. Yung nana lang. So, ang medyo lisod na part dan is ang pagkuha sa value sa internal, force of truss members due to unit load and due to real loads. So, again, you can use method of joints for all geometry sa trusses. Ang method of sections, talagsara na, no? Kapoy mo ng section, especially kung tanan members kuhaan o forces, no? Or you can use labay-labay, mas dali man sa. Whenever applicable, whenever applicable. So, pag dili siya applicable, dili siya magamit, then you go back to method of joints. Anyway, you can use your calculator once if it will resolve to two equations with two unknowns. And then after that, compute na yun. So, naradili ang problema, no? L given, area given, E given. So, di lang ka maglisod. No? Pag okay nito na dire, tapos masayop ka, it's either, dili ka nasayop. Pag-compute sa ilang values. Value sa delta for each member. Okay, so you can solve other problems, no? Para ma-master na mo ang virtual work method. So, thank you for watching.